Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys, how can we unpair Bluetooth speaker to our phone. Guys, you have paired any Bluetooth speaker, any device, and once you want to unpair this device, so then how can you unpair it in your Infinix phone? In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to unpair our Bluetooth speaker to our Infinix phone, then guys we will scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your more connection setting in your Infinix phone. So you will have to click here. Then guys scroll. Guys, you can see guys your Bluetooth setting tap here. Friends, you can see guys we have paired the JBL Go speaker and guys we want to unpair. So you will have to click on the setting option right side, tap here. Friends, you want to disconnect, you want to forget means unpair. So you will have to click on the forget option to unpair. Then it will unpair to your phone guys. You cannot use this speaker you want to use, so you will have to pair again guys. So like that guys, your speaker will unpair to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye fam. Before going, please go and like the video.